Hello guys, welcome back. This is Rando Geek. Alright, so we have an article here regarding AT&T. So it looks like AT&T will be bringing its $55 per month 5G home internet plan to more places. So it's $55 a month, $60 with autopay, okay? So without autopay. So with the autopay discount, you save $5, that brings it down to $55 a month. So AT&T will be expanding the availability of this service, which uses the their 5G network to beam Wi-Fi into your home. So the plan comes with no overage fees, equipment costs, or annual contracts, but AT&T will charge up to $10 per month extra for up to 5 Wi-Fi extenders, they're saying. So the plan offers download speeds of 40 to 140 megabytes per second, but AT&T may temporarily slow down your data speeds. So obviously if the network is congested, or busy. So once you sign up for the service, AT&T will send you its full Fi Hub, a 5G fixed wireless access FWA receiver that you'll wirelessly connect your devices to. So while AT&T started testing its Internet Air plan in Los Angeles, Pennsylvania, and Ohio, it's now coming to more cities, including Detroit, Cincinnati, Hartford, Salt Lake City, Tampa, Seattle, and others. So you can view the full list they're saying of locations in this link right here. So if you click on it, it'll give you a whole list of locations. Let's see what we can get here. Let's pull that up, see if we have a list. Alright, so here's the full list here. So we have Los Angeles, Philadelphia, Cincinnati, Harrisburg, Lancaster, Lebanon, PA, so that's Pennsylvania, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Las Vegas, Nevada, Phoenix, Arizona, Chicago, Illinois, Detroit, Michigan, Flint, Saginaw Bay City, Michigan, Hartford, New Haven, Connecticut, Minneapolis, St. Paul, Minnesota, Portland, Oregon, Salt Lake City, Utah, Seattle, Tacoma, Washington, and Tampa Street, Petersburg, Sarasota, Florida. So they're saying there's more to come. Alright, so let's go back to the original article now. So that's the list so far from what we know, guys. So anything more that I hear, I'll definitely let you know. But so they're saying if you have an eligible wireless service with AT&T, the Internet Air plan will cost $35 per month. So they're saying other rival carriers already offer 5G home internet plans, while Verizon's most basic plan costs $50 with autopay or $60 without. T-Mobile's plan similarly costs $50 with automatic payments. Still, using mobile data to power the internet throughout your home may not be all that efficient. So they're saying my former colleague Mitchell Clark tried out T-Mobile's 5G home internet service, and they're saying in 2021 and found that it couldn't reliably handle video streams, multiplayer games, etc., cloud backups on a daily basis. So basically they're just saying that it's not the most reliable. So that's pretty much what we have here for this article. Update with AT&T getting that out there. Now, to touch on this last section here, T-Mobile has definitely commented that they have worked greatly on their fixed wireless access with home internet. Some people are saying it's improved vastly. Some people are saying they're not seeing much different, but T-Mobile swears that they're trying to make the network better for everyone, as far as their home internet service goes. So I'm sure it's a lot better than it was 2 years ago. That's what I'm hearing. But this is great for AT&T to finally see this being rolled out to more cities. There's still a lot of cities that are definitely going to need it. That's a decent size list. I'd like to see it come to more cities. Hopefully it will. I'm sure it will eventually. But not a bad thing. These are really good, if you have, they're very good as backups. That's how I see this. And obviously, if you're someone that's constantly on the go, and you carry a laptop with you or a tablet with you, right? These can be very efficient. There's been some testing. We've seen other people test it, and it seems to work pretty decent. Again, this is not going to be as powerful as a regular home router, right? But this is great for on the go. This is great if you I mean, if you're just someone that just needs a little bit of data and you don't need the fastest speeds, this could work fine for daily use, you know, and, you know, it really depends on what you need your internet for, right? If you're just someone that just uses it for light surfing, maybe a little bit of video watching, nothing heavy, no gaming, this could be just fine. You know, it really depends on the individual. So that's the thing. But definitely on the go is an awesome tool, right? Could be very useful if you're someone that works on the road a lot. You know, you're constantly moving around. You don't really have an office. You're just always on the go, or you travel a lot. These things are great companions if you travel a lot, you know? So that's really how I see it. That's what I believe they're really meant for. But, you know, they can also replace your router depending on how much access you need, how fast it needs to be for you. So it really depends on the individual is what I'm saying. So, all right, guys, just wanted to share this update with you. If any of you have, watching this, have tested the Internet Air from AT&T, what was your experience? And just drop your city. I'd like to know how it works there. Don't need too much information. Just your city would be good enough. Curious to see how it performs where you are, whether it's like a big city or rural, you know, just to get more of an idea of how functional it is in different areas. So, all right, guys, as always, I want to thank you so much for stopping by and watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.